CNSP can short squeeze it.
At 7:24 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on June 2nd, 2023, me and my traders were buying CNSP stock in droves because we predicted the stock short squeeze. CNSP, CNS Pharmaceuticals Incorporated traded 10 million shares today on June 2nd. We called the CNSP short squeeze this morning in Discord. It's right here at 7:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We were all buying CNSP. How were you not in this trade? This should have been your money. This should have been your money. We also closed PACW for nearly 50 cents per share profit, closing at 742, the top of the stock chart. How are you not making money? How? Click the link in the description. Join our Discord. It's literally $97. It's $97 to find out if you can actually make money with our group, and you can trade for a whole month. And show me that you can't make money with my callouts. I'm serious. I want to see it happen. I want you to buy the stocks that I show you, and I want you to show me. Okay, and it's not financial advice, okay? So when I say I want you to buy the stocks, I mean if you are willing to take the risk, put some paper money in the stocks and see what happens. See what happens when you're actually trading with one of the best trading groups in the world. See what happens to your trading account where you put your profit target where I show you to. See what happens when you close your trades when I tell you to close your trades. See what happens to that paper money account. Maybe you can double it. Maybe you can triple it. Whatever you do, I want to see it because our group has been on fire for the last 2 years, and we're never gonna stop. On CNSP, we bought in at $2.07. Stock rallied to $2.98, netting us 35% profits. How much money would this trade make you? Do you know what 35% of $10,000 is? It's $3,500 profit in 1 day. In the Discord, you can click the link in the description to join the Discord. It's the best decision you will ever make in your life because you'll be able to trade with my team. Every trading team is different. There are way too many traders who are paid off and who actually get paid money to recommend bad trades to you. I remember another channel was paid $25,000 to call out a random stock that would actually hurt traders and cause them to lose money. This channel will never do that. Almost every single trade called out on this channel will help you make money. We actually called another stock today called PACW. You can see the live entry right here.
Because I do believe PACW can do well today. Yeah, there's PACW. See how it came to 689, 708. Probably going to come to 726 today. It was still a pretty good buy at this level. It's because we had so many profit targets to the upside.
PACW had more than 28 million shares purchased today on June 2nd, 2023. The stock rallied from our $7.10 buy-in point to $7.85. We called PACW out on Discord before the day even started. We showed traders where to buy their stock. We showed traders where to sell their stock. We basically help traders make as much money as possible and as little time as possible with as little effort as possible. If you like making money with almost no effort and almost no time, if you're going after financial freedom, then you want to look into our program. You want to join the Discord in the description. It's the biggest and hardest and best decision that you can possibly make because you'll get access to a professional trader, me, Coach Coda. You've been watching me for a while. You've watched my videos. You've watched my call outs. Whenever I tell you that a stock is about to dump like AI, that stock dumps, right? I warned you that AI would crash right before the earnings. I told you that the earnings would crash the stock. You can listen to my warning right here. And that's because I'm trying to save you money. I'm trying to save you money. The other stock, we had KPRX. Okay, KPRX was called out in my video to sell KPRX at $8. Do you remember my video on KPRX? It was published in September. Guess what? KPRX is at 80 cents right now. Okay, so when we sold at $8, we sold KPRX at the top. The stock went down more than 90%. How often do you lose money in the stock market? If you look at your trading account, are you gaining money? Are you growing your trading account, or are you losing money? Are you losing money in your trading account? Because if you're losing money in your trading account, the first thing I would ask myself if I was losing money in my trading account is, what happened? What went wrong? How come I'm losing money? I didn't come into trading to lose money. I came into trading to make money. So what are you doing? What are you doing to bridge that gap? Because there is some kind of gap that exists. Whether you are trading with another group right now or you're trading alone, you have a gap that needs to be filled in your trading career. There's no way you can be successful until you bridge that gap. And I'm happy to tell you that in order to bridge that gap, the first step is to join the Discord, because in that Discord, not only are you going to get trades, you're going to get mentorship, coaching. We had a student ask right here how the CNSP short squeeze was predicted in advance, how we're able to make this much money in this short period of time.
No, is there a way you can explain like how you know that?
Like how do I know that CNSP can short squeeze?
Yeah, because I would look at CNSP and that would not come to my mind. But I'd like to be able to foresee some things. It would help me.
Yeah.
Does a stock chart care if you lose money? I'm going to answer this question in one of my live coaching sessions. This is a recording. Check it out right here.
The chart does not care how much money you invest. That's not what influences with how the chart moves. It matters to you. It matters to me, but it does not matter to the chart. And ultimately, the chart is like not evil. I don't want to call a chart evil, but it's a robot. Okay, it's a robot, and it's not an AI robot. It's just a robot. So it has no feeling, it has no emotion. It's just, why don't we compare it to the ocean then? Because it's not alive. It's just a force of nature. So if this force of nature, if you're in it, does the ocean care if we're inside the ocean? If the waves crash, is the ocean thinking about what kind of damage it might do to its environment? Or is the ocean going to do regardless of what we want, what we feel, what we have invested? Stock market is like the ocean. And if you can eventually train yourself to see the stock market for what it is going to take a lot of the emotion out of your own trading. A large part of being a successful and consistent trader is to remove as much emotion as possible.
Access to your coach, your own trading coach, the ability to ask questions about trades and have them answered, the ability to ask questions about trading by someone who actually knows what they're doing. All of that is in the Discord, and only in the Discord. You can learn from my YouTube videos. You can make money from my YouTube videos. I've had people make tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars just from my YouTube videos, but I've had people make millions in my Discord. Okay? Because in the Discord, that's where traders actually learn how to trade for a living. Traders learn how to trade for a living in my Discord. This is for educational purposes only. This video is not financial advice, and nothing that I say should be misconstrued into financial advice. But if you watch my videos, then you know I know how to trade. If you watch this video right here, you can learn how I predicted that the earnings, okay, how to use earnings to predict a stock crash. Because that's exactly what I did with AI in order to save you guys 30% losses on AI. Huge stock crash from $47 to $30. I protected you from those losses by telling you exactly where to sell. I help my traders make that same amount in profits in a single day on CNSP by calling the stock out at $2.07 at 7:25 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Are you ready to stop losing money? Are you ready to start earning? Because CNSP has short squeezed, but there's no telling what will happen with the stock from here. If you want to make consistent money, if you're ready to be a profitable trader, then I will see you in the Discord group and I will answer your questions and make sure that you have what you need in order to succeed as a trader. You have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you later.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?